and the nutrients are digested for giving us energy and nutrition. Coming to energy, the unit in which the energy obtained from a particular food is expressed is known as the calorific value. The calorific value basically means after 1 gram combustion, when we consume the food, it is broken down, and then 1 gram combustion of that particular food, whatever energy we get is known as the calorific value. Now, the laboratory calorific values are highly accurate, whereas whatever happens inside the body depends on many factors, the food with which you have taken it, then the BMI of the body, the BMR of the body, the current status of the intestinal wall, whether it is highly suitable for absorption or not, and many other things like temperature, pH, everything. So, the accurate values cannot be obtained. So, we take the rough values for calculation of the calorific values of the food we have taken. For carbohydrate, it is 4 kilocalorie per gram. For protein, it is 4 kilocalorie per gram, whereas for fat, it is 9 kilocalorie per gram. People who are on dieting avoid fat for this reason only, that it is high calorific value, whereas proteins having a low calorific value are used by the professional athletes, trainers, etc.